Let's crochet 2 rear pauses of baby bunny. Round 1. Start 4 single crochet stitches in magic ring. Pick up the white yarn. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold onto that intersection point with your thumb. Grab onto the yarn. Bring the yarn through the loop as well as rotate the hook. And if you did everything correctly at this point, you can let go of your piece and everything would stay intact. The first single crochet stitch in magic ring finished. Use the stitch marker under 2 loops of the first stitch. The second SC stitch finished. The third one finished. 4 single crochet stitches finished. Let's crochet round 2, start 4 increased stitches. Firstly, we need to take off the stitch marker in round 1. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now we'll crochet the second SC stitch of the first increased stitch. The first increased stitch finished. 1 SC stitch in the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. One SC stitch in the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. 1 SC stitch in the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Round 2 finished. Let's crochet the third round of 8 single crochet stitches. Firstly, remove the stitch marker in round 2. And then start the first single crochet stitch. And use the stitch marker again. The second single crochet stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. Great! Round 3 finished, and leave a long tail for sewing. Remove the stitch marker. 1 rear paw of baby bunny finished, and try the second one on your own.